Kharg Island is widely seen as Iran's main oil export hub. Kharg handles nearly 90% of Iran's crude exports. It acts as the backbone of Iran's oil export system and overall economy. Much of this oil is shipped to major Asian markets like China, making it the country's primary oil gateway for global markets. Kharg's location near the Strait of Hormuz increases its importance. Positioned near a route handling nearly 20% of global oil trade. It is located about 25 kilometers off Iran's northwestern Gulf Coast. Despite being just about 8 kilometers long and 4 to 5 kilometers wide, it hosts critical oil infrastructure. Crude oil is stored here before being loaded onto tankers and large vessels arrive to transport oil to international destinations. Oil refineries convert crude into usable petroleum products, and oil terminals store and distribute these refined products. Storage tanks here can hold over 34 million barrels of oil, and pipelines bring crude from southern fields to this terminal and has deep water jetties for large tanker loading. Other export hubs like Lavin and Siri handle smaller volumes. Any attack on its energy infrastructure could disrupt millions of barrels of oil supply, sending shockwaves across global markets and driving energy prices sharply higher, making Kharg Island one of the most critical energy choke points in the world.